Hey girl, bring it back, 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 back. Hey girl, bring it back, 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 bring it back, back.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me, between me and you.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber and this is Amber Next Door. Before we get started into today's video, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, the like button, all of those things. Let's just get into this video. So lately I have not been feeling it. As far as myself, I gained some weight. My time management isn't like really up to par according to my standards with work, family, friends. I've just been doing so much traveling that I feel like I let myself go in a lot of different areas in my life. So this video is just showing you guys how I get some of that back. Just a look into the top of my week, pamper myself a little bit, and you know that starts with a candle.
A symphony just to say how much you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand.
And now that the evening has been set with some aromatherapy and some easy listening, it's time for a shower, a nice hot shower after a long day of working from home, and all of those things is just what the doctor ordered.
My love, so don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away. My love, so don't give away. My love, so don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Okay, so even when I'm not wearing makeup, I still like to wipe my face with a makeup wipe. I don't know why. I just want to get all the oil and dirt off my face before I go in and wash my face. I don't know. I might be weird. I might be a little extra, but this is how I do it.
I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart, and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do.
Where'd you go? Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on a island.
Okay, so to give my shower a little extra oomph, I'm adding in some shower steamers tonight, and these are actually from House of Her, a small black-owned, woman-owned business that I absolutely adore. And if you are not new to my channel, you know I rave about her company. So yeah, let's just get into the shower. I'm gonna start washing my face with this face wash I got from my FabFitFun box. It's the Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser that I am absolutely in love with so far. Now I am really excited about this product right here. This is the Cosmedix First Blush Brightening Acai Infused in Shower Face Mask. I have never had a face mask that I could use in the shower, and I also got this from my FabFitFun box, and I just feel so like soft girl life right now. I'm really not going gonna say this too many more times, but you cleanse your body first with some bar soap, and then you go in with a body wash. Don't at me.
Please be don't tease me, nothing you be don't I want you to give to me, yeah. Please be don't tease me, nothing you be I want you to give to me, yeah.
Oh my gosh, you guys, let's get into this foot peeling spray that I got from Ulta. All you need to know is that you should just get it. This had my feet feeling so smooth afterwards. I hope you guys can see. I don't know if my camera is picking up, but that is dead skin peeling off of my foot and dirt and all the things. It made my feet feel so good. I'm definitely going to be using this often in between my pedicures. Like, I love it so much. Okay guys, so in the midst of filming, a storm came. So this is what's going on here in the DMV. I don't know how long it will last. Our power went out, which is why you see my battery operated lights and my candle. I'm gonna go ahead and light some more of my candles, but this is what's happening in the middle of all of this. Hopefully the lights come back on soon and I will give you guys an update. Okay, you guys, so this has turned into a vlog. In the midst of me filming an aesthetically pleasing nighttime routine, a storm came, and my power has been out for about an hour, a little over an hour. Can't cook, so I'm about to find something close by to get something to eat, and hopefully my power will be back on tonight. I don't even know what else to say. This is so funny. I knew that a storm was coming, but I didn't know it would be this bad to where our power lines would be out. I'm hoping they'll be back on soon. So I'm here. I definitely forgot my wallet, but I have Apple Pay and stuff in my debit card and stuff in my wallet. So wherever I go, I will be able to just use my phone. So there's that, you guys. That's the latest that's going on. Hopefully the grocery store or just somewhere so I can find something to eat really quick. And that would be that. I don't even know what else, but that's the latest. That's what's going on. We turned into a vlog. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to get some dinner, and this is the place I'm going to. It's called Yaya's Kitchen.
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Shot trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego.
Okay, guys, so I got my food. I ended up getting a gyro or gyro, whatever you guys call it, and some fries. So I'm gonna eat that in the car, go back to my neighborhood and see what's going on. And if worst comes to worst, I may have to go to where my mother and my cousins live and see if they have power. If not, it's just a situation where I don't know. But luckily I'm blessed to be able to drive and get food, and technology allows us to pay with stuff on our phones these days and all the things. So yeah,
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, high and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
It is a mess across Maryland right now with widespread damage. Strong winds from powerful storms yesterday uprooted trees, shut down roads, and left thousands of you in the dark.
Hey guys, so it's 2 days later. I decided to close the vlog because I didn't pick up the camera after that. We didn't end up getting our power back until like the next day, late night. I did stay with my cousins and my mom, and I was able to just, you know, thankfully do what I do over there, sleep, work from home, do laundry, all the things. I brought some of my things from the freezer and the fridge there just in case. But luckily nothing really spoiled. I'm sorry, I'm picking up my boyfriend from the train station. I'm trying to see if he got off yet. But yes, we're gonna close off here. That was just like a tale of unfortunate events. Thankfully I'm not hurt. Nothing was broken, lost, stolen, anything. Just a couple items of food that I just probably was gonna throw away anyway. So thank you guys for sticking around for this vlog. It wasn't supposed to be a vlog like type style, but thank you so much. I will see you guys next week, next Wednesday at 6 p.m. There's some exciting things coming. So yeah, I'm so like out of it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, notification bell, comment down below, share on social media platforms, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.
Hey girl, bring it back, 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 back. Hey girl, bring it back, 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 back.